Take a ride in 2017 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, remote vehicle start, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.